Hey friends, in this video we'll see how to make your app edge to edge full screen mode in Android device for playing video or anything else. So let's begin. So say for example, I have just created a very quick video app, and over here you can see although it's a full screen, but still it's not edge to edge. I can see the top bar and some of the status below part. So I can play the video, it will work fine, everything, but it won't. Okay, let me pause it, but it's not edge to edge. So how to make it edge to edge? So I have already done the coding. I'll just quickly show you. So this is the method which we have to enable. So right now I have just disabled it or commented out, and I'll rerun. In the meantime, when the app is loading, I'll just quickly explain you. So this is the method which will enable my full screen mode. Okay, so let the app. So see, it's edge to edge is being full screen, and there is no more bar, right? So let me just explain you the code very quickly. So this is the part of onCreate method. So in the onCreate method, first and foremost, what we are doing is we are setting the orientation as landscape in this, and then full screen. I'll come to full screen method shortly, but before that, let me just quickly complete this video app. What we are doing, so nothing but we are just creating a video view in the layout, which is a full screen video view, and then in the video view we are setting some video, like the video file, which is video sample, and this I have copied in my resource folder of the resource folder raw folder as a mp4 file, and then we are trying to access and converting it into video URI, and then we are creating the respective media controller, and that's what we are playing in the video view by setting the video URI and the media controller, and then we are playing the this start, and this function, this part is responsible to play it in a loop continuously. Now coming to this full screen, so if you don't enable it, it will be just like as I showed, right? It will show the above bars and all. So if you have to make it as a full screen edge to edge, then what we have to do is we have to call this short method. You can even, you don't have to write it as a separate method. You can also put the code in the main part. So here what we are doing it is, here we are first getting the window, and then based on the version of the build version, the Android version. So if it's more than API 30, then we are doing in a other way, and if it's older versions, then it's a easier way to do, where we just get this set the system visibility with flags and all, like STK and full screen. So that was sufficient earlier, but now they don't allow it. Now you have to create something called controller. Okay, Windows Inset Controller, and in the Inset Controller, what you have to do, you have to this status bar and navigation bar and all, you have to hide it. Okay, so whatever bars you want to hide, you have to set that manually over here, and then you have to set the system bar behavior in the controller, and that will like transient. That's all. So once you do this, then your screen will come full screen. So this is useful for gaming also, videos also, any other kind of image kind of apps which you are creating. It will be helpful for to do this. So that's all. I hope this video is useful to you. If you have any questions or suggestions, then please put it in the comment section below, and if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.